Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about noon, Thursday, September 3rd, and we are looking at a gap fill plus a little bit. So here is post-market action from yesterday. Little gap up this morning like we talked about, and run up into the 101 area. Lower swing high pre-market. Here's the 8:30 news, and this is where we opened. So this gap from right here got filled, held up just a little bit, and had one test of it down into the 99.60 area. Now we're making higher swing lows, and we're actually stalling perfectly. If I zoom out here, right in this area where people started getting mangled up, right in here. So this symmetrical triangle failure now breaks down. We come back up to resistance, acting perfectly. Higher swing lows, lower swing highs again. We have another symmetrical triangle forming. Very, very short term, but it's there. So we'll be watching for this to resolve in the same way, looking for confirmation with the trend. At 0.61, that's a little bit more bullish than bearish. And the trend Q, also a little bit more bullish than bearish. And the tick has spent a good part of the day. Let's see where we are. Drop a line in here. Both above and below the zero line, so we're about even. VIX, good tiebreaker, has been dropping nicely, so that's bullish as well. Taken into a larger context and time frame, we're still now sort of on this high, but we've broken through a level of support on the VIX to the downside, which is a little bit positive for the markets as well. So X% more bullish than bearish today, not being completely reflected in the stock pattern, the S&P 500 ETF that is. On the way up, we're still consolidating, but again, watch carefully how we manage this $100 mark. We're hovering right around it right now, and also the overhead resistance we have going on, which is now also at the $100.50 level. You see that kind of high base, sorry about that, the low base, the highs of that are right at the $100.50 mark. 101 also, and especially if I delete this, the 102 mark still remains intact on the way up. On the way down, you know how important this number is. That's the 76% retracement. It's a perfect gap fill, this swing low. Below that, we'll be looking for a good sell-off into the round number of 99, and then also 98.22, and that would be, again, nothing to sneeze at. So to clean that chart up, we're still basing on our low after a pretty good size sell-off, but we are trying to make a higher swing low here. It's just whether we're going to make it or not. So that is what I would say and use as a filter going forward with my individual stock plays, and maybe you can do the same. So I hope you guys are doing great, and look forward to D7's video for the close, and I'll be talking to you soon.